Welcome back to my show, ladies and gentlemen, where it's so easy, it's crazy, brother. Let's go. I got here some pork tongue, bro. I got this for 50 pesos, brother. Pag bibili ka ng baka, you will spend 800 pesos to 1,000 pesos for a big ass ox tongue. But this one right here only cost me 50 pesos, brother. Kuha mo na tayong thumbnail. Welcome back to my show. Everything's easy. It's so crazy, man. Shit, let's go. Pork tongues, brother. We about to cook this motherfucker right here, and I'm gonna teach you how to prepare this the right and easy way, bro. Let's go. Pull up this pork tongue right here, and we about to pressurize this thing for like 30 minutes or so. Because this is pork anyway, it's not ox tongue, so it will be softer, easier, bro. We about to put a little bit of this patis flavored patis in this mix. There we go. To bring out flavor in this mix, brother. A little bit of soy sauce, bro. And that's about it. Very high heat. 30 minutes. And this should be A-okay.
Agoy ka. Nakapasok na. Ang dami mo kasing pakulo eh. O, diba? O, diba? Oh, pati yung tatay. Oh, yung panganay. Ayan na, ayan na. Di ba pinaano mo eh. Masyado kang ano dyan eh. Sarado mo na yan. Oh, natutunan mo na yung lesson mo.
Boom. Right, so tapos na tong dila natin, guys. Lalagay na natin to dito sa cold water, brother. Hayaan natin siyang medyo lumamig-lamig din para pwede nating i-handle, tas babalatan natin yung dila mamaya. We about to tear this thing up. That thing just falls off, bro. Just take that off. So you don't want that outer layer of the skin, brother. Your skin be looking like this already. You can cut it out. You know, very thin strips. Here you go. It may not look appetizing right now, brothers and sisters, but this thing will be bomb as hell, I promise you, bro. Bring this down. Kailangan lang natin siyang hatiin. Like so. There you go. Just do that to all the tomatoes out here, brother. There you go. Put a little bit of oil in this pan. Kailangan natin itong stir fry ito. Brown them up, bro. Make sure it's all brown and good. About to take that off the heat. Onions. Put that in. Garlic. The magic spoon. There's Chinese sausages out here. Ooh-wee. That's adding a little bit of, you know, fragrance, flavor into the mix, bro. Damn. That smells good already, brother. Now while that motherfucker be cooking out here, we about to add in a little bit of this whiskey, since we don't have white wine. made that shape, brother, so the alcohol gonna get out of that motherfucker, man. Cause you don't want that alcohol flavor into your food. You just want that aroma, that good ass, clean ass flavor into the mix, bro. Add in a little bit. There you go. Throw this ball away. You don't need that bullshit no more. All that alcohol, you can smell that alcohol in the air evaporating, brother. That's what you want to smell. You don't want that alcohol be staying on your food, so you want that alcohol be burning up. Once that all said and done, we're about to add in our tomatoes and our pork tongues, bro. Add in a little bit of that pork stock, brother. Some of that beef cubes, brother. A beef cube out there. Add that in. Make sure you put right there in the middle. You gotta wait for like 30-45 minutes. Lower down the heat. So you don't want to burn that motherfucker, man. There you go. Oh, nandiyan ka na pala ulit. Ito na. Titignan na natin kung ano na nangyari dito sa ating lengua ng baboy. We're about to open this pan. Boom. See them things, brother? We're about to crush them tomatoes, brother. Crush them tomatoes one by one.
Ba't kailangan nakahati lang ganyan?
Para pumasok yung ano, yung init, tapos madali siya madurog. Tingnan mo, ang bilis madurog, diba? Kaya yan, dudurogin natin siya.
Pati hindi naman cube-cube.
Hindi na kailangan yun. Kung dudurogin mo rin naman na ganyan. Kaya, para mas madali na. Diba? Durogin mo lang. Diba?
Gusto ko rin durugin.
Yung durogin mo. Durogin mo.
Tapos?
Tapos halu-haluin mo. Yan. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce, brother. Just a little bit. Yung. Lagyan din natin ng konting-konting suka. Konting-konti lang. Tikman natin kung anong lasa niya.
Sarap.
Sarap. Lagyan natin ng paprika. Para magandang kulay. Some Spanish paprika, brother. Just a dash of that thing, bro. Tomato paste, just a little bit. Para matulungan yung mga kamatis natin. Mushrooms. Pepper. Go. Oh, brother.
Solid na, no? Sabi na.
Sugar.
Lagyan mo tomato paste. Ang kuya mong matamis.
Cause I love things sweet, bro. Some sweet ass meals makes a good ass meal with a lot of rice, you know what I'm saying? Yung ng isang kaperanggot na dila. Titingnan ko lang kung pwede na yung lambot niya. Konting sabaw para malaman natin kung okay na siya. Hindi kasing sarap ng ox tongue, but a much more cheaper alternative though. Simmer this down again. 15 more minutes, and this should be a-okay. Tapos na ako maghugas ng plato at tapos na rin ako magluto. Kaya tignan na natin to, brothers and sisters. Bam! Look at that motherfucker right there, boy. Boom! I wanna taste this out, because this will be our dinner for the night. Ito, tinan nyo. Usok-usok pa yan, guys. Padaming naman. So good. So good.